16 to the power x minus 5 times 5 to the power 2x minus 10 times 20 to the power x minus 2 equals to 1. We are going to find out the value of x. So here is a 16 and here is a 20. Has some similarity. Like 4 square is a 16 and here is a times x minus 5 times 5 to the power 2x minus 10 will be unchanged times this 20 we can write 4 times 5 and to the power x minus 2 equals to 1. Now here is a 4. We know if like this way a to the power b to the power c can be write a to the power b times c. That's why here will be 2x minus 10 times here is a 5 to the power 2x minus 10, and we also know if like ab to the power c, if you want you can write a to the power c times b to the power c. So this case we can write 4 to the power x minus 2 times 5 to the power x minus 2, and here is a equals to 1. We also know another thing. Here is a to the power m times a to the power n. Once base are same, that time in product power will be add. It means m plus n. So we can write this one. Here is a 4, here is a 4. Base are same. So we can write 4 to the power 2x minus 10 plus x minus 2. Same thing times 5 to the power 2x minus 10, and here is a plus x minus 2 equals to 1. Now here will be 4 2x plus x, it will be 3x, and minus 10 minus 2 it will be minus 12 times same thing in here also 3x minus 12 equals to 1. Now look, if a to the power c and b to the power c, the power are same in product, we can write ab to the power c. Same thing, here is a 4, here is a 5, but power is a 3x minus 12. So that case we can write 4 to the power 3x minus 12 equal, look, this one if you want you can write 4 to the power 0, because we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. Now look, base are same. This case we can write, we also know if a to the power m equals to a to the power n, we can write m equals to n. So this case base are same, power will be equal, it means 3x minus 12 equals to 0. Now we are adding both side by 12, so 3x equals to 12. Now we are dividing both side by 3, and finally we get 12 divided 3 equals to 4, and our answer equals to 4. Very simple, but it's very important. So thank you very much for being with me. This video I'm trying to solve this exponential equation and we are finding the value. Please stay with me, subscribe my channel, follow my page, and you will get lots of things. Thank you.